Welcome. Thanks for inshallah watching this video. This is the inshallah future home of the Fiqh Knowledge Institute. This is one of the main halls. Inshallah will probably be a prayer area, a study area, inshallah. And alhamdulillah, we wanted to start with this. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim wa bihi nasta'in. In the name of Allah, the merciful and compassionate, and with Him we seek help. Alhamdulillah, we are praying to Allah to fill this place with students of knowledge and scholars. We invite all of the ulama and the whole ummah to come visit us, inshallah. We hope that we'll have many scholars come here and benefit us with their knowledge to join our shuyukh here, inshallah ta'ala. This is a place for the ulama and the students of knowledge. And I'll close with this famous statement of one of the companions. He said, "Be a scholar if you can. If you cannot be a scholar, then love the scholars. And be a student of knowledge. And if you can't be a student of knowledge, then love the scholars and the students of knowledge. And if you can't love the scholars and students of knowledge, then don't hate them. Don't despise them. Inshallah. So be a scholar, be a student of knowledge, love them both, and at least don't harm them and don't hate them, inshallah. We hope that all of us will be continuing on the legacy of our shuyukh, the sanad, the chain of narration, inshallah, from Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, reaching to the day of judgment. May we be a link in that chain, inshallah ta'ala. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.